Hi guys. What are you learning in school, Ma? Naisha?
Um, right now we're just going over solving like log expressions and then let me pull it up one sec. It's just the same inverse compositions and logarithmic functions.
Oh, that's good. Okay, that's good to know. Same with you, Nidhi?
We finished exponential and logs, all of it, and now we're on sequences and series.
Sequences and series. You're good with it, right? Already?
Sequences, I don't remember. I don't remember anything about series, but we only did one day of it, so.
Oh, sigma notations I didn't cover yet, right? Oh, I see. Sigma notations is something I wanted to cover, but I don't have plans for today. But let's see if I can cover sigma notation. Sigma notation is one piece I have not covered. But other than that, have we covered it here? Sequences, recursive formula, all that we have covered, right? Here, yes. Right, Nidhi?
Yeah, we have.
Yeah, but I think the sigma notation is not yet covered. I forgot to, very frankly, because I had that. I could not finish it that day. So we just covered only. See, completely, it went off my brain. So I think we need to cover sigma notations 100% along with, but I don't want to jump there. Let's finish exponential word problems more. We'll revise rational functions. I want to cover inverses, which I have not done properly. And there are some test prep related strategies that we will go over today. That's the plan. But I will try to push in sigma notations. Ahana, what are you doing in school, ma?
Doing
Doing
inverses
inverses
and
and
logs.
Yeah, 1 minute, 1 minute. You're logged into 2, right? Just take that off. See, each teacher is actually going in their own sequence. See, that's always a problem, but that's okay. As much as we can, we'll match. But at the same time, AP pre-cal gets covered, then it's fine. But if you have a problem at school, please inform me. So that way I'll get to do that. Let's see. Maybe I can finish that sigma notation and then go to inverses. That as well I can do quickly. First I thought I will not jump, but I think it's not a big deal. Right. Ah, see, that's what the other day I put the bookmark here. I didn't have time to complete and it went off the plate. Okay, how about this? Meaning I really want you to understand what is the sigma notation. Okay, sum of geometric, okay. At least I want to go over what is this notation in geometric series or arithmetic series. So let's try this one. 1 minute, guys. No, wait, okay, 1 minute. Okay. Very good. Oh my gosh, what is going on? Okay, how about this? If I give you this, right, I want you to know about what is the sigma notation for writing out the sum of series. Now, arithmetic sequence is this. You all know that arithmetic sequence is this, right? When you put it as their sum, right, we call it the sum of the series. So let's here see. So basically, arithmetic series denotes the sum of the terms of a sequence. Here, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. If I write it like this, right? This is an arithmetic sequence. Okay. This one will indicate an arithmetic series. Any questions here? Any questions here? Okay. Now, let's try this one. You should be aware of this symbol. What is the symbol? Basically, it's a sum of. So suppose, let's say, I write equations like this. Let's see this one. Okay. N equal to 1 to 2, 2n plus 1. What does it mean? It's so complicated, right? But it is not. They are saying n's lower bound. Lower bound means lowest value is 1, highest value is 2. You know, this is my main expression. So I'll start substituting 2n plus 1. I will substitute n equal to 1. And then sigma means you're going to keep on adding the expressions. 2n plus 1 I will write down, but substitute n is equal to 2. Till I reach my upper bound, I'll keep on doing this. And then add everything. So here 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 5, which is 8. Any questions? Any questions? Now, if I'm going to give you this, how are we going to calculate? Let's see. I mean, it's not a big topic, but I just want you to get used to this. Let's see. How about this? N is equal to 10 to 32, n plus 6. What is the answer for this one? Should I do it on the board? Please let me know. One more, I can do it on the board too. Bhuvanesh, did they cover some of finite arithmetic series at school for you?
No, not, we did that in the last unit.
Yeah, I know, but did they cover the sum of finite arithmetic series?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Okay.
But they never, but on the final unit test, they never put sigma notation.
That is because it's not a part of AP Pre-Calc. They just want you guys to know these symbols, that's it.
Okay.
Meaning I have not seen the sigma notations. See, this is a part of honor. That's what I'm saying. Honors pre-calculus was more in depth, I feel. AP pre-calc does not touch this. That's why they would not have had it in a unit test. But I think you guys should know when they use sigma notation, because these are quite important. As you move up, right, mathematics, you'll find it a lot. So you should know these. It was in honors pre-calculus. Since AP is not touching, maybe they did not put it in the test. Anyway, but just we'll understand this, that's enough. And then we'll move on to inverses where we left off last week. Go ahead. Can I do this on the board again? Okay, so here n is equal to 10 means 16 plus, next I'm going to substitute 11, 17, then I'm going to substitute 12, then 18, and it goes on till what? Upper bound is 32, right? 32 plus 6 is 38. So I want to sum up from 16, 17, 18, 19. Do you guys know how to do this? It's an arithmetic series, right? Okay. I'm just going to go ahead and give the formula for this, okay? In an arithmetic series, it's not a huge topic, okay? But I'll go ahead and give you the direct formulas for this one. Sum of a finite. When finite means I know the ending. Okay. Finite arithmetic, this is a finite arithmetic series because starting and ending you're clear with what is start and what is end. Sum of a finite arithmetic series can be given by the number of terms divided by 2, first term plus last term. Or the other formulas you can do, number of terms by 2, 2a1 plus n minus 1 times d. You should know this, please. Only if you know this, that is also fine. Okay, here you can substitute. Basically, an is what? A1 plus n minus 1 into D. That's all. They've expanded this. An is what? Nth term is first term plus n minus 1 times D. So they have added that. These two to A1. So if you memorize this, this is more than enough. And then you can substitute for An. Nth term, you can substitute it as A1 plus n minus 1 times D. Mm, ah, so, 1 minute. Oh my gosh. Hey, Dhyani. I did not teach you compositions at all, right, Amma? You were not present for the last class, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you went for the music exam, remember?
Yeah.
So remind me about it. Even at the end or any day during the November holidays, I will go over it for you. Ahana, if you are more than welcome. For Tejashvi, for all of you, I'll go over compositions, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Without fail, we'll go over that. Now,
Oh.
sum of arithmetic series, I'll tell once everybody comes in, is given by the number of terms divided by 2, A1 plus AN, first term and n term. So I can use the same formula here to sum it up, right? How to use it? What is the number of terms? How to find that? Tell me. How to find the number of terms here? There's one nice way. Minus 15 everywhere. Minus 15 everywhere. What happens? 1, 2, 3, it goes till what? 23 terms are there. Are you guys with me?
Yeah.
See? Subtract 15 everywhere, then you get the number of terms, 23. So if it is 23, right? Number of terms, 23 divided by 2. First term plus last term, 16 plus 38 is what? 12, 13, 14, 3, 4, 54 times 23 by 2. 2 2s are 4, 7s are 14. So 27 times 23 is your answer. Do you get it? Guys, did you get it? 6, 14. 14 plus 6 is 14 plus 6 is 20, 22. 2, 2 2s are 4, 5, 6, 21 is your answer. Do you guys get it? Okay, now you know how to quickly multiply two numbers? See, 7 times 3 is 21. Remember the 2 carry. Multiply these two, multiply these two. 6 plus 14 is a 20. Add the carry 22. Again 2 carry. 2 times 2 is a 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 621. One more time. 56 times 14. How to do it quickly? The vertical. 6 times 4 is 24. Have the carry. Multiply these two and add 20. 6, 26, 28. 2 carry. 5, 1 is 5. 7. Do you guys get it? First this, and then this, and then this. This is an easy way of multiplying two numbers, two-digit numbers. Okay, now let's try this one. Maybe quickly, let's try this one. N is equal to 23, sigma 37, 2n plus 3. Can we try this one? If you can do it quickly, then I'll move on. If you're stuck, literally let me know right away. There's no point in waiting. Sure, Tejashvi. Go ahead, Ma. Quick, Ma. I really want to move on to something else. Inverses, and then honestly, I had planned for inverses and then exponential word problems. Mainly, that's what we wanted to do, and then revise the rationals once more, meaning just to be good with it.
Could you do this one? I don't understand it.
Vinesh, good job. So, yeah, sure. Ma, you're going to start substituting the lower bound instead of 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, all you're going to substitute. Okay, the sigma means you're going to add all of those, that's all. 23, when I substitute, it become 46, 46, 47, 48, 49, right? You see, I substituted 23 and I got 49. Ahana, are you with me? Now, substitute 24. What happened? 51. Substitute 25, 53. So it goes on like this. Substitute the upper bound 37. 37 times 2 is what? 70. 74 plus 3, 75 was the last number, right? Do you get it, Ahana? Now, how to add all of these numbers? We know that sum of an arithmetic series will be a1 plus an, n by 2 times a1 plus an, right? So for this one, the first term is what? This one. Last term is 75. But the number of terms I don't know. So the best way to do that is subtract 48. Let's see. If we subtract 48, what happens? 1, 3, 5. It goes on till, if I subtract 48, what happens? Only the odd numbers, right? How many numbers will be there? Subtract 48 means 10, 15, 7, 2. So I go till 27, only the odd numbers, right? So how to calculate the number of numbers? Till 28, right? Till 28, there are 28 numbers, but divided by 2. Yeah, go ahead.
Miss Priya,
Yeah,
for
go
the
ahead.
last term, I was a bit confused. Don't you substitute 37 in 2n plus 3, right?
Yeah, I substitute 37. 37
But
times
37 times 2 is 74, right? And 74 plus 3 is 77 instead of 75.
I'm sorry. Yeah, 37, 74, 75, 76, 77, right? Ma? Thank you, ma.
No problem.
Thank you. So 77. Oh, then 77 minus, then this is also wrong, right? 77 minus, what should I minus? What were we minusing? I forgot. I lost track. So 77 minus what? Okay, we were subtracting 48 with from everywhere, right? So 9, 29. Till 29 it goes. So basically till 30 divide by 2, right? Only the odd numbers are considered, right? So 15 numbers are there. 15 by 2 times what? 49 plus 77. What is that? 8, 18, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 times 15 by 2. This is 64. 64 times 15 is, something feels wrong to me.
I have a question.
Go ahead.
Wouldn't we use the common difference thingy? Because it's like by 2, like plus 2 plus 2.
Yeah, meaning if you want to use the common difference, right, ma? You can as well use that. N by 2.
Okay, so they both equal the same thing.
2a1 plus n minus 1 times d. That is also fine.
Okay.
Okay. See, that you can use it when you know the first term, n value and d value. This one you can use when you know the first term and last term. You get it? Hey, Bhuvanesh, help us. You had your answer, right? What is that? Where are we going wrong? Can you help us? 5 4 22, 6 4 30, 32. Oh, I'm sorry. Wait, 30, 40, 34, 34, 34, 35, 36, 3, 6, 1, sir, 6, 7, 8. I'm getting a 960. That seems so wrong. Hold on. So let me substitute 23. Naisha, that's incorrect. Bhuvanesh got it correct. 23 to 37. Yeah, yeah.
I'll check my work.
Go ahead, Bhuvanesh.
I'll check my work.
No, you got it right.
Yeah, I'll check where.
Yeah, thank
It
you.
was like 15 over 2 times 60.
Times, what did you get?
15 over 2 times 60. Because 23 plus 37.
23 plus 37.
Because the 37 is above the sigma, right? So 23 plus 37 is 60. 15 over 2 times 60.
It's the first term and Did I give the something feels very wrong. So did you substitute instead of this? You're saying you substituted 23 and 37?
In there, yeah, 23 and 37, which was 450, I think. And
Yeah.
then since it's
Yeah. Then
second,
what?
I put 2 times 450, which was 900. And
Mm-hmm.
then I 900 plus 45 equals to 945.
900. Why did you add the 45?
I combined it 3 times 15. I put 3 times the number of terms, right? So it's 15.
3 times the number of terms. Oh, 3 times the number. Oh, so you used this formula, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, but this also should work, right, Amma? Okay, that's great. Okay, but I want to make it work with this formula. 1 minute, let's see. 49, 51, 53. Let's see. What did I give you? For no, no, no. What was the problem I gave you? I'm going to redo. It is definitely incorrect. N is equal to 23 to 37. And then 2n plus 3 is what I gave you. I have the answer, but I don't have the solution. Let's see. So basically, Sn is equal to n by 2, a1 plus an, right? This is the formula I want to use and get it correct. So here, if I substitute 23, right, 46. See, if I substitute 23, right, what happens here? 46, 49. Okay, correct. That's the first term. Second term would be what? 24, 48, 49, 50, 51. It goes in threes, okay? And then it goes till what is the final value? 37 when I substitute 74, 75, 76, 77, correct? Yeah, that's correct. So now I have to find the number of terms in here. Oh, 3. Okay, then the number of terms, let's see. What is the number of terms? Subtract 48. When I subtract 48 from here, subtract 48 from here, subtract 48 from here, 51, then it would be 54, I think 40. Subtract 48 everywhere, then I end up with 48, 49, 50, 51, and then 48 to 54 is what? 6, correct. Oh, 136. Oh my gosh, that's the problem. Okay, so how many number of terms finding was a problem? 9, and then this becomes a 6. This is a 9, and then this becomes a 629, right? And then 6, 9. So like that, it keeps going. Oh, okay. So how many number of terms are there? From 49 to 77. 49 to 77. 49, we can't do 54, 57. And then I'll have 61, 60, 61, 60, 64, 65, 66, 67. See, I'm not even ending with that. What is the problem, guys? Something seriously is wrong. 49. See, this doesn't seem right to me. 51. Then 54 seems wrong, right? Hey, you're going to help me, guys. So here, if it is 23, 46, 47, 48, 49 is correct. Okay. And then 24, 48, 49, 50, 51 is correct. And then 25 means 53. See. 53, and then it goes till the last one is 74, 75, 76, 77. Now I need to find out how many number of terms. It's only 3. Oh, wait, guys, something feels so wrong. 50, see, so it's only a difference of 2. Okay, so that makes sense. It's only a difference of 2 now. What happens? So let me go ahead and subtract 48, 48. So I end up with 1, 3, 48 now, 5, 48 now. What I'm ending up with? 29. So 135 to 29 is 15 numbers, right? Correct. So yeah, it is correct. 15 numbers, 15 by 2, 49 plus 77. This is the first term, this is the last term. This should work actually.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
wouldn't a more simpler way to find out the number of terms just be 37 minus 23 plus 1 because you're being inclusive of that other value?
Come again, 37?
Like, to find the number of terms, you could probably just do 37 minus 23, which is 14 plus 1.
Oh, yeah, that is a cool idea. I agree. I
Mm,
agree.
but
It's a nicer idea.
that's what I used.
Yeah, but then it's the same, right? Meaning
Yeah.
we are not getting the final answer for some reason. I'm not sure what it is. Let's see, 16, 10, 11, 126, right? So this is 63 times 15, right? Yeah, 63 times 15. What is that? 63 times 63 times 15 seems right. 1 6 is 30, 6 is 30, 33, 34. 34, 3, 6, 945 is correct. 945 is correct, guys. So the first time I had calculated these wrongly. So for the number of terms, yeah, I like Dhyani's idea of doing this. 37 minus 23 plus 1. Number of terms, or I can do 37 minus 22. I always feel because it starts at 23, subtract 22. That gives you the number of terms. Ahana, did you follow Mabat? I'm sorry to ask. Did you?
No, yes, I did. Like, it took some time, but I got it.
Okay, we'll do one more problem and then move on, ma. Vibha, we are trying to just work with the sigma notations. That's all. This is something I did not cover. So I really wanted to do the sigma notations. How about this, guys? Can we try this one? Minus 2n plus 57. This is the last one we'll do. We'll just finish this one and then move on, guys. I'll go to inverses and exponential word problems. Half life, double life. We'll do that. Vibha, to bring you to context, right, Vibha?
Yeah.
So basically, this is a part of honors pre-calc. I don't think the sigma notation is there in AP pre-calc, but
Oh,
we just but we just make sure we know. That's all.
yeah. Okay. Thanks, Auntie.
Rohan, video on, please. Vibha, you'll switch on your video after reaching home, right, Amma?
Yeah, I will.
So nice, Dhyani. Minus 11 is 17. First term is minus 24, A1 plus 37. AN is A18. That's what I got. $189 seems correct. 189 seems correct. This 33, and then this one is A18 minus 36, 46, 56. Okay, 33 to 21. 33 to 21, not 33, 4, 54. 54 and a half on the 3, 7. No, 2, 7. 27 times 17, 27 times 17. 14 plus 7 is 21, 25. Should be 189.
Why is it times 17? Why is n 17?
Oh, why is n 17? 18 minus 11, 7 amma. 18 minus 11 ma. 7 terms. 7
Oh, wait,
terms.
Priya.
Uh-huh. 14. 7 are 49. 4 7s are 14. 18. 189.
Wait, Auntie, why is it 18
Amma.
minus 11 though?
What amma?
Why is it 18 minus 11?
Okay, I'll tell you. So the number of terms, it starts with 12, ends with 18, right, ma? So the 12th term, the 12 is included in that. So what we do to 18, you subtract 11 so that you get the number of terms.
Oh, okay, I get it.
You didn't? Can I move on?
Yeah.
Ahana, we are good, huh?
One quick question. So I got to the part where you plug 18 and 12 in, and then I got 54 over 2 or 27. Is that correct?
Correct. 54 by 2 is 27. After that,
And then
times,
I got stuck.
no, times n, right? Number of terms. How to find the number of terms? 18 minus 11.
Minus 11?
Yeah, because 12 is included, right? So you have to subtract the previous term. 18, see, I'm including 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. If I want to find the number of terms, 18 minus 11 is not there. First 11 terms are not there, right?
Okay, so you would subtract the n value by 1 and then subtract the 18 by that number and then multiply that by the number in the parentheses.
Correct, correct.
Okay, I understand.
Nidhi, are you here, ma?
Yeah, I am.
Okay. So can we move on? So this is about the arithmetic series, but for geometric series, okay, for geometric series, I really want you to know the sum of uh, geometric series as well. So that would be A1 1 minus r power of n by 1 minus r. Here again, the other formula would be A1 minus C. A1 r power n can be substituted with an times r. If you memorize one formula, you can substitute for the other. What they are doing in the formula is, instead of, see this, when it's multiplied, right, a1 minus a1 r power of n, instead of this they are writing it out as an suffix n, nth term times r. Both are one and the same, right? Meaning the first term of the geometric series times r power of n is the same as the nth term of the geometric series times r. So now if you memorize one formula, it's more than enough. This is for finite geometric series where you know the first term and the last term. For an infinite geometric series, infinite means it goes on and on and on. You don't know what is the end. Infinite arithmetic series, you can't find it because the value keeps on increasing or decreasing, means it's very hard, meaning 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8, it grows. We don't know. We can't find the sum of an infinite arithmetic series. But in case of infinite geometric series, you can say the formula is A 1 by 1 minus R. In case of an arithmetic infinite geometric series, it drills down to A1 by 1 minus R. These two you need to memorize. Here, when you multiply inside, you can substitute that with an times r. You don't need to memorize this. It's very difficult if you memorize everything. So you can always substitute and find out this one if you need it. So For an arithmetic, for a geometric series, let's try this one. N is equal to 2 to 7. Okay, I'll write down the formula once more. Can we try this one? Again, you're going to substitute 2 for the first term. Then it goes till substituting n is equal to 7. So Sn for an infinite 1 is written as a1 by 1 minus r. Okay, finite geometric series is written as a1 1 minus r power of n divided by 1 minus r. Any questions? So this you're going to remember. Supraj, what's going on, Supraj? No video? I am not sure. What's going on, Supraj? Can I get answers or do you want me to work it out? You have to let me know, guys. Clearly, you have to let me know. See, this one I can go ahead and do once and then you can do the next one. But this one, right? This is a finite or infinite geometric series. Bhuvanesh, this is finite or infinite? Finite because it ends with the 7. It starts with the 2. It's a finite. So this formula applies. For that, you need to find the first term. You need to find R, common ratio. You need to find out N, number of terms. Once you do that, directly substitute. That's all. The geometric series sum is an easy one. So how to do that? First term is what? Substitute N is equal to 2. Substitute N is equal to 2. 2 minus 1 is a 1, right? 15. Then what is the common ratio? I have no idea. So first term is 15. Then second term is what? I'll substitute 3. That means what? 3 times 5 square. So 25 times 3. 25 times 3 is 75. So what is the common ratio? Common ratio, I feel it's like a 5. I see. So common ratios of 5. Number of terms, we need to see. Okay, so here I keep on adding like this till 7. If I put 7, 5 power of 6, right? 3 times 5 power of 6, right? So number of terms will be what? 7 minus 1, 6. So I'm going to directly substitute them. That's all. 15 times 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus 5. Any questions still here? Any questions still here? So 625 times 25. I need calculators, guys, here. 1 minus 5 power of 6 is 625 times 25. Somebody needs to work it out and tell me. So this would be 58,590. With the calculator, literally, I'm working it out on a calculator. 58,590. This will be a minus 4. This will also be a negative number. Then based on that, if you put it in a calculator, answer will be 58590. Can I give you one more problem? Nidhi, are you following, Nidhi?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll do one more problem. Let's see. How about this? I don't want to make it very complicated. Let's see this one. How about n is equal to 3 to 8 minus 2 minus 2 power of n minus 1. I'm going to leave it to you. Sn is equal to what was the formula we learned? Hey, 1 minus r power of n divided by 1 minus r.
Miss Priya, the equation's not on the screen.
The equations is not on the screen. Okay, go ahead.
Thank you.
You know what? Okay. I cannot remind anyone else. That's okay. Go ahead. Vibha, is it working for you like this, Vibha? 15 minutes you wanted to be delayed, right? Yeah. Mm. You want me to do it? Let me know. Go ahead, guys. Video should be on in class. Tejashwi, I got your message. Go ahead. Go ahead. I need to get answers from everybody too, please. If you don't understand, at least I need to get that. I need to understand if you did not understand.
Miss Priya's my answer, right?
Tejashwi, for the number of terms, yeah, I liked Dhyani's idea. 8 minus 3. See, 3 is included, right? So 8 minus 2, 6. Rohan, all the while what you were doing, Rohan, I was explaining so many problems, right? If you're doing something else there, it's not going to work at all. You did not have your video on. You were not answering. What is going on, Rohan? Okay, yeah. Did I give you the wrong thing?
Auntie,
Yeah,
is it
ma.
for you to do it on the board for me once?
Yeah, absolutely. I'm going to do because none of the answers are right. Did I give it to you correctly? I'm checking. Okay. Looks like it's not correct. I don't know why, but I'll do it on the board. Bhunesh, what answer did you get, Bhunesh? What is that, ma?
-88.
Huh?
-88
So
for
you
some
are
terms.
then the key might be wrong, I feel. Let me check, please.
Okay.
Okay. So basically we need the first term and then I need R and then N value. N value we already know it is 8 minus 2 is a 6. And then R value I don't know. So first let me write down what is A1 minus 2 power of N minus 1 is 3 minus 1 which is a 2. And then second term is minus 2 power of 3. So what is the first term? Minus 2 square is 4. Minus 8 is the first term. Second term is 2 to the 4, 4 is 8. Minus 8. But the second term is plus 16 is the second term. A3. I'm going to check it out nicely so that now 3, 4, I utilized 5. 5 minus 1 is a 4. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 times 2 is a minus 32. So like
Wait,
this.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma?
shouldn't the first term be like 4? Because if you substitute n for 1, 1 minus 1, 0, and negative 2 to the
Oh, no.
power.
Wait. The first term is 3. Lower bound is 3, right, Lama?
Yeah, but like, I'm talking about the A1.
Yeah.
And you,
There go. Oh, A1 you took it as okay, I see. So can I go ahead and write it out as A3 if that is better? Because that doesn't confuse, right?
yeah, that,
See,
yeah.
A3 is the first term, right, ma? Here. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
Meaning 3 is the first value you will substitute, not 1, right, ma?
Oh, so that, like, so by A1 it means, uh,
First term of the.
oh,
Okay, if that is confusing, I'll go ahead and write it like this. But please remember A3 is the first term. You got it?
yeah, I get it.
Okay, now A8 is the last term, which is N value. You got it? So here N value is already number term, right? That is 6. So I will write it out as A8, but that is the final term. So here A1 is a 7. So we don't need it, but I'm just going to go ahead and do what is this? So minus 2 is R, right? And then what is A1, meaning the first, what is the first term of the series is minus 8.
Oh, okay, yeah, I get it. It's just I confused A1 into the actual first term, like n equals 1 instead of the n equals 3.
No problem at all. Okay, 1 minus 2 power of n means what? What do we have as n? 6, right? Divided by 1 minus r is minus 2. So let me see what I am getting. Minus 8, 2 power of 6 is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 is the 16, 6 is the 32, 64. 64, so that will be a minus 63, I'm thinking. Divided by 3, 21, 8. 8 is a 16. Yeah, 168 is the right answer. Did you guys get it? Ahana, is that clear?
Yeah, I think I get it.
How about you, Naisha?
Yeah, I think so.
Shall we do one more then? Yeah, I would really want to do one more because I am not very comfortable. Okay, I'll do one more. Minus 3 power of n minus 1. This symbol is sigma. N is equal to 1 to 5. See guys, I'm sure you'll do this correctly. Okay, meaning when I pick the problem, I should have picked something differently. Sorry about it. Wait. Okay, let me give it to you, this one itself. Do it correctly. Let's see. Minus 3 power. Vibha, are you following Vibha?
I think I understand it after you just explained it.
Okay, good mom. Go ahead. See, they can complicate a lot of things around this. Okay, let's see. I'm just doing the minimal problems. Supraj, are you following Supraj?
Yeah, on the last one, I forgot that -2 was the own R term. I just canceled the negative out with the negative.
Oh. Totally okay as long as you get it. How are you doing in school, Supraj, pre-calc?
Yeah, I'm doing good.
Can we try getting the right value on this one? They can give you anything, ask for anything in these formulas. They can give you the sum. They will ask you for the first term, given the common ratio. They can give anything, ask for anything. Rohan, did you follow the last example?
Yeah.
Oh, that was good. Some of you got it. Nice, guys. Rohan, Bhuvanesh, Supraj, correct. Dhyani, check your answer, ma. It is differing by a very small, minor thing. Dhyani, did you get it? Nidhi,
Yeah, I think so. I think I just switched out A1 for like -3 instead of just 1.
I think so. It's a small minor mistake I'm seeing though. Nidhi, are you there with us?
Yeah, I got an answer, but I don't know if it's right.
Don't worry about it. Just shout out. Almost there, Nidhi. Answer is just 0.5. It's not a negative answer. But can I go ahead and do and see? So, okay, basically, some of the geometric series will be A1, the first term of the geometric series. It is like this, right? So I need to know the first term. How to find out the first term? -3 power of 1 minus 1 is a 0. So basically, it's a 1 is my first term. Second term is what I'm going to substitute 2. So -3 power of 1 is a -3. This is hard, guys. If I substitute 2, what happens? If I substitute 2, 1, 2, 3. If I substitute 3, let's say. So this is actually 9. So basically, -3 is my common ratio. A, R, and number of terms would be 5 minus 0 is a 5. So just plug in values. 1 times 1 minus R power of n. N is the number of terms, right? So divide by 1 minus -3. So -3 power of 5 is 3 3s are 9. 9 9s are 81. 81 times 9 is 9. 8 9s are. Vibha, what happened, Vibha?
Oh, we did r to the power of 5. Or sorry, 4 rather than r to the power of 5.
No, ma, wait, I'm coming. Hold on, I didn't get you, but let me see. 1 minus r power of n will result in a negative answer, so that will be plus, so 550. See, this will result in a negative answer, and then minus is plus. So 549 plus 1, 550, divide by 4 times 1. So 1, 4 3s are 12, and 1 15. What is this? The first term of the sequence is 1. Then 1 minus r was -3, which is correct. -3 power of n is 5. 3 3s are 9. 9 9s are 81. 81 times 5 is what? That is incorrect. 81 times not 5. 81 times 3, right? 3. Oh, that's 243. See, there I made a mistake. So let's go back. I'll just do this again. So here, let me do step by step. 1 minus minus 3 power 5 is what? Minus 3, 3, 9. 9 nines are 81. 81 times minus 3, 3. 8 3 is 24. 243. Minus 243, right? So divide by 4. So basically this is 243, 244. Divide by 4, 6, 61. So answer is 61 is correct, I think. Right, guys? Yep, 61 is correct. Vibha, did you follow?
We did. I did 3 to the power of 4, not negative or not 5.
I see. N is 5, right? Ma? 5 minus 0. Can I move on? Okay, how about this? Are we able to do this one? Let's find out. For an infinite geometric series, can you find the sum of this? For an infinite geometric series, if you have noted down the formula, can you find the sum of this? Meaning, first find out if it is arithmetic or geometric series, and then based on that you can do. What is the sum of this? It's an easy one.
Hello.
Sum of an infinite geometric series is a1 by 1 minus r, right? Try and let me know, guys. So, Praj, that's right. Vibha, is that answer for this one? Oh, last one, okay. Vibha, but did you follow the last one? With respect to problems, it can be so very complicated as well. Nidhi correct, Supraj correct. We are just making it easy on us when doing these problems, I feel.
Miss Priya, can you do it on the board?
This is a hard one, Nama. How ma? This is the first term, right? Find out what is the common ratio, plug it in. Did I make it clear?
Yeah.
Onish, you got it right? Inverses are there and then exponential functions, okay. Rohan, you have to find the sum of this geometric series. It is an infinite geometric series. Just because you were not listening the first half, it's a problem. I wanted you to find the sum of this. Dhyani, did you get the answer?
I
Nice.
think so.
Naisha, Ahana, I'm not getting answers, guys.
I'm sending mine. Just one sec.
But this is taking a lot of time, I feel this. Anyway, I'm going to close this. I'll give you homework on this, I feel.
Oh yeah, it has to like bounce around.
Rohan, that's right. Bhuvanesh, that's right. Ahana, can I do it for you? Vibha, can I do it for you?
1 minute, I'll send.
Yeah. Vibha, that seems incorrect, ma. What did you substitute for A1, ma?
I did 1/20. Oh, wait. Can I resolve real quick?
Uh, Tejashvi, that's right. So basically, A1 is the first term of the sequence 1 by 20, ma. Then divide by 1 minus R is what? What is the common ratio? 1 by 2, right? Because if you multiply this by 1 by 2, you get the next one. If you multiply this by 1 by 2, you get the next one, correct? So how do you find the common ratio? 1 by 40 divide by 1 by 20. Next term divide by the previous term, right? So 1 by 40 times 20 by 1, which is 1 by 2. So common ratio is 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is half. The numerator is 1 by 20. So 1 by 20 divide by 1 by 2. 1 by 20 times 2 by 1. Answer is 1 by 10. Vibha and Ahana, did you get it?
I sent it. I just accidentally put a dash in the front.
Okay.
I put it as a decimal.
Vibha, you got it?
Yeah.
Vibha, did you get it, ma?
Understand it now.
Okay, so let me go ahead. I really want to do the exponential functions. Word problems. Okay, let's try this one. This is just a revision, but then exponential word problems seem quite important. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so first let's do for decrease and increase. Meaning as a part of exponential function modeling, this should be easy, but definitely they revise this because it's a part of essay, meaning it all plays a part in SAT, exponential function modeling. So here basically, okay, now let's go ahead. See, this one we have covered algebra already in algebra 2. So now this is your initial value, wherever it is. Suppose you're going to put your money in the bank. If you put your money in the bank, this is your initial value. And then how much percentage it's increasing comes here. 1 plus that percentage power x. X will be the number of years. Okay. This is the time value. This is the amount that you withdraw. So I took an example of you putting money in the bank. So Y is the output dollars that you get will be equal to the initial amount times 1 plus rate of increase power x. Suppose if the money you end up with a loss means 1 minus the percentage of increase, percentage of decrease. And this is the initial amount. So there is no change in there. So let's try this one quickly. 1 or 2 problems in this. Okay, how about this? Okay, let's try this one. I just want you to write out the function. I just want you to write out the function. Okay. Let's see this one. Can we go ahead and try this? A population P of fruit flies is currently at 150 flies, but it is increasing by 205% every day. I just want you to write the function for me. I don't want you to find any value here. Just that to see whether we are able to put it out into an equation, this is given.
But at the end, I got 5 in a row. And I got a green one. I got a blue. Like stuff. Because that.
Do you just want it to write out the function or solve it?
Function is enough. There is nothing to solve, right? Because after how many days, I didn't ask you. It is just that you can indicate the d value by d and a population after so many days. You can write the function y, meaning y is what here? Population as a function of days, right? So that's your y value. So I just need an equation for this. As long as you know how to write equation, solving is easy. Calculator is there. So are you able to make up equations from the given verbal scenarios? We'll do 1 or 2 more computation problems a little later. Go ahead. Should I do it? Please let me know, guys. At the end of it, I just want you to understand, that's all.
We just have to send the equation, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
You should be able to write equations, that's all. If you're stuck, just let me know. I'll do it on the board straight.
Auntie is my answer, right?
Oh, you're sending. Okay. But you know what? Oh my gosh, 8 on. I did not see. Very bad. Okay. 3.05. Yeah. 3.05. Supraj, it is 3.05, right? 1 plus, right? Naisha, you forgot the power x. Or power d here. So basically your equation should have been CA, the initial value. What is the initial? No, it's different. So 150 and then 1 plus the percent is 205 by 100 is 2.05 power d. So this is 150 3.05 power d. That will be equal to population on d days. Clear? Bhuvanesh, you got it?
Yeah.
Okay. How about this? We are going to do more equations. Let's see. Okay. See, the other application problem you might get in is, see, these you have to memorize. There's no way nobody is going to give you the formulas. So let me put down the formulas for half-life and doubling time. Suppose, okay, so suppose, let's say there is a radioactive element, okay? The radioactive element has a half time, meaning there is a period in which the amount of the initial value becomes half. That is called the half time, right? Half-life or half-life we say. So let's say the initial amount is A, okay? The decay rate is half-life, right? So the decay rate is half, right? That half is substituted here. And then this is the time after which you're going to find the amount of value that remains. Let's say the amount of carbon in some rock, let's say, in some rock, the initial amount of carbon, let's say it is 150 milligram. Okay. The half-life of this carbon is, let's say, 24 years. So how do we use it? Now we want to find the amount of carbon in that particular rock after 100 years. If you're given this, right? So this The time gap after which we need to find out is t. The half-life is 24. This is 100. Half is the decay rate. 150 is the initial value. So if you plug it in, what you'll get is the amount of that radioactive carbon after 24 years. So 150 times half power of 100 by 24 will give you the amount of carbon left over after 100 years. Any questions? Same applies for double. The rate is it's doubling up. And this one is the doubling time. This is the time after which you need to find. So the formulas are crystal clear in whatever we are doing. So if you understand the formula, then you have to get your context out of the problem given and plug it in, you will get the answers. Understand well though. Initial amount, half-life is the rate, right? And then T is the time after which you're going to find out. H is the half-life period. This is the doubling period. This is the initial value. This is the amount that remains after T time. Can I move on? I'm going to take all of this. So these are the application problems you can maximum get in exponential functions, but let's see. So let me give you one or two problems now. How about this? Oh yeah, I wanted to discuss this as well. Okay, how about... Okay, I don't have it. Let me see. I'll give you one or two problems. How about this? I can do this one. Let's see. Okay, let's see, guys. You can use calculators. This is using the doubling rate. You have to be crystal clear with the formulas and what they do. Nicely, if you understand, you can just plug it in. It's easy. Meaning, you have the calculator with you to calculate. Okay, this is one I really want to cover more exponent problem, guys. Let's see. So compounded annually, compounded monthly, compounded multiple times. Do you remember the formulas, guys? No? Okay, that one is another formula. See, compound interest formula as well, you need to remember. This is not related to this, but for compound interest formula, A is the amount that you get in hand, P is the principal initial amount, R is the rate, N tells you how many times it is compounded in a year. T is the period for which you will have the for which you put the money. Guys, I need the answer for the first one. I really need the answer for the first one. I can go ahead and do, but I really need the answer. So here, the number of bacteria, right, after T time, right, will be given by the initial value, and then this is doubling rate, right? So 2 is the rate. So basically this is T by D, right? Meaning the doubling time is 3 hours. So let me go ahead and substitute. 2 times, this is 3. T is what you need to find out. But how long will it take? So 340 is the final rate. So 340 by 100 is 3.4 equal to 2 power of T by 3. So how do you find it, guys? Do you remember? Do you know how to find this? There are 2 ways to do this, right? What are the 2 ways? How can you do it in a calculator and see? Rohan, could you explain how you did it in the calculator? You can process this as 2 different functions. One is a constant function, one is an exponential function. So you can type y1 equal to 3.4, y2 equal to 2 power of x by 3. If you type in, then wherever these two intersect, that is your answer T.
Can't you just use log?
Yeah, see, this is the first way. Okay, the second method is take log on both sides. You can literally do it in a calculator. So this will be T by 3 log 2. So T by 3 will be equal to log 3.4 by log 2. So T will be equal to log 3.2 by log 2 times 3. Both ways are okay. Both ways are acceptable. Do you get it? Any questions? Can I move on? Vibha, following? Nidhi? Nidhi?
Yeah, I'm here.
Let's see this one. Compound interest, we'll do one at least, I feel. Let's see. You need a problem on compound interest, right? Let's see. Okay, how about this? Oh, this is. One second, guys. I really wanted to be. Okay, how about this? Let's try. Let's try this one. No, it doesn't seem a hard problem. Okay, but I want you to be able to do this correctly. Let's see. The formula for compound interest is on the board. N is the number of times it's being compounded in a year. So Donna invests 2,500 paying 7% interest compounded monthly. So N will be equal to 12. Determine how much Ella would have in the account at the end of 6 months. So T is 6 months. Can we try? The previous answer was 5.3 hours. Super, Dhyani, you got it. Rohan, that was incorrect for the last answer. Tejashvi got it. Rohan, you didn't get it.
Oh, I did type it, like, put the wrong number in the calculator.
That is making sense. That is making sense, Supraj. Again, next week we'll definitely continue this only, meaning more exponential problems. Yeah, but there'll be a little more of log revision. Rational number functions revision will be there as well. And then solving square root problems as well will be there. I didn't have time for all those today. Bhuvanesh is getting a different answer. Supraj is getting a different answer. I honestly don't know. I'll have to check.
Wait, Auntie, what does N mean again?
N means the number of times it's compounded annually, ma. Here it is monthly, right? So 12 times in a year, right, ma? So what is the value of N? 12. Did you get it?
Oh, I thought it was 7% monthly.
7%, the rate of interest is 7% annual rate of interest. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Compounded annually means N is equal to 1. Compounded monthly means N is equal to 12. Compounded annually means 4 times in a year. N is equal to 4. Am I making sense? Compounded semi-annually means N is equal to 2. Good job. Compounded, see, when it becomes compounded continuously, your formula will change. P e power of RT. Do you remember that from algebra 2? Because if it is compounded continuously means every second it's being compounded. So it becomes a different formula, P e power of RT. So what was this question? What did I give you? I don't know. So this is Donna invest 2,500. Let me check. Each one is getting one value. What is going on? Okay, let me do it, guys. Nidhi, what did you get? Vibha, what did you get?
I sent mine.
Okay, so it's going to be 2,500. 1 plus rate of interest is 0.07 divide by 12 times 12. N is equal to 12 compounded monthly, right? So in 6 months they're asking. So that is also in months. But that's an year, right? That's where you're all missing. See, that is in years. See, that's where you're missing. T will be in years. We'll do that. 6 divided by 12.
T would be 0.5, right?
T is in years, yeah. Okay, this is the number of times per year. Yes, ma'am. So that will be 6. So 2,500 times 12.07 power 6. Can one of you do it in the calculator and tell me that's the answer? Bhunesh, did you follow?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it should approximately be equal to 2588 is what I'm getting to. Nidhi, what was your answer?
I got I got 3,800. It's because I didn't do over 12 for the exponent.
I get it. I get it. See, that's in years. I should have told you, I feel. Yeah, Bhunesh correct, Naisha correct. So can we stop here, guys? Can we stop here? Okay. If you don't have any questions, we'll log off.
Thank you.
Bye, thank
Auntie,
you.
I have one question.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there a new Google Classroom? Because I'm not getting any of the assignments.
Oh my goodness. Let me check. Yes, there is actually a different classroom, right?
Okay, that's why I was looking for the assignment for last week, but I couldn't find it, so I was
Let me
wondering
see.
if I was in the wrong one.
I think this is the. Okay, see, I have not posted to I feel. Let me see. Yeah, usually I post it all together once. I have more to post, I feel, but anyway, you note down this classroom. Tonight or tomorrow, I'll post a ton of whatever we have covered till date. Does it make sense? Um, I will post the next full unit, whatsoever. I'll post the next full unit tonight or tomorrow. You can do one by one as and when we complete. Make sense? Till what I posted. I have already exponential function manipulation is all in there, ma. Okay, logarithmic functions I'm yet to post. Exponential function manipulation modeling is already there. Okay. I just go ahead and post it in advance or a little later. Okay. See, whatever we
So
covered now is already there.
The classroom, is it summer 23 to 24?
Right.
Because it says the last assignment you made was October 22nd.
Yeah, ma. After that, I didn't post it. See, meaning
Okay.
I usually put 1 month of work. I put it before. You get it? So it's long since I posted. So I will post it. I'll post another 1 month.
So for like the entire month's assignments, you post at
Ama,
once.
in advance, meaning we go back and forth.
Okay.
You get
Okay.
it? Meaning when you look at it, right? See 1.13, 1.14 and 2.1, 2.2,
Yeah.
2.3, 2.4 are there, right? I'll
Okay.
finish the unit 2 today or tomorrow. I'll
Okay,
post a
so
bunch of assignments, like 10 assignments will be there. You can do at your own pace.
so this week's homework is the exponential function manipulation?
This week I will also add in the sigma
Okay.
notation because
Yeah.
we did
Okay.
that too, right? So I will add that in as well. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
Good questions though.
Bye.
Bye, ma. Hi guys.
Hi, Auntie.
So this class starts at what time?